भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। We are on page number 67. Mantra number 10. Last couple of lines in Bhashya and Tika we have to see. So, Akara and Ukara, their chanting and dhyanam based on that on Vaishwanara and Hiranyagarbha or Taijasa is explained in 9th and 10th mantra. See on page number 67, Bhashya, second line from top. Vidvat phalam uchyate. What is Vidvat phalam? So here Vidvat phalam means Upasana phalam or Upasaka. What is the Vigraha for Vidvat phalam shabda? Vidvat phalam is a samasa. What is the samasa vigraha? Anybody knows? Vidvat phalam means vidwan ka phala. Vidwan ka vidvataha phalam. Anybody else? Vidvat shabda, how will it decline? Takaranta shabda, everybody must have memorized. Those who are attending Lavgu also. Bhubhrut shabda, vidwan, then vidwan, vidwansau, विद्वांसः, then विद्वतः और विदुषः. विदुषः, षष्ठी एक वचनम विल बी विदुषः. विदुषः फलम, विद्वत फलम मीन्स विदुषः, ज्ञानी का फलम. उच्यते उत्कर्षति हवै ज्ञान संततिम. इन भाष्य ज्ञान संततिम उत्कर्षति, ज्ञान संतति उत्कर्ष इज देयर. मीन्स व्हाट? भाष्यकार himself says विज्ञान संततिम वर्धयति इत्यर्थः. His विज्ञान संतति will grow, means he makes the विज्ञान संतति grow. विज्ञान संततिम सः विद्वान वर्धयति, और सः उपासकः उपासनया वर्धयति. थ्रू उपासना he makes his विज्ञान संतति grow. टीका, थर्ड लाइन फ्रॉम द बॉटम. ज्ञान संततेः उत्कर्षो नाम, व्हाट इज द उत्कर्ष इन ज्ञान संतति? कुतश्चित् तस्याः भेदावेदनम तस्य इष्टत्वाभावे कथम फलवत्वम इत्याशंक्य व्याचष्टे विज्ञान इति. ज्ञान संततेः उत्कर्ष इज कुतश्चित् तस्याः भेद अवेदनम. He will not have the knowledge of भेद. This is the ज्ञान उत्कर्ष. This is the growth in his ज्ञानम. In टिप्पणी नंबर 3 you see, अविच्छेदो ही धारा उत्कर्षः. अविच्छिन्न धारा, continuous flow is called उत्कर्ष. Why? विच्छिद्य वहन्ति तु धारा नोत्कृष्टा व्यवह्रियते इति लोकमाश्रित्य वाचष्टे. विच्छिद्य वहन्ति धारा, like a river which goes and breaks means throughout the year, if it is not there, if it is not perennial river, then that river is not called utkrishta. Ganga ji has mahatva because Ganga ji is there all the time throughout the year. So his santati also will be there. His santati will be shishya santati. If he is a sannyasi, one after the other shishya will have this knowledge. 4 number टिप्पणी says, कस्मिंश्चित् अपि प्रदेशे तस्याः भेद अवेदनम विच्छेद अप्रतीतिः इत्यर्थः. In any place, from origin to destination, there is no vicheda, there is no break, there is no bheda. Continuously. So like Ganga ji, from Gomukh to Ganga Sagar, continuous. So टीकाकार said, तस्य इष्टत्व अभावे कथम फलवत्व. If he does not have any ishta anishta, then why do you call it as his phalam? Because he doesn't want anything. So it is said, it is not for him, it is the knowledge. From such an upasaka, knowledge will continue. So the knowledge is glorified. टीका, पक्षद्वय तुल्यत्वम एव प्रकटयति. And in Bhashya it is said समान तुल्यश्च मित्रपक्षस्य इव शत्रुपक्षाणाम अप्रद्वेष्यो भवति. समान, he is there, tulya, between what and what? Mitrapakshasya iva Shatrupakshanam. Just as towards his friendly people, how he acts, behaves, towards adverse people also he will be same. Mitra Shatru Bheda he will not have. So this can be understood in two ways. One is, he will not have Mitra Shatru to begin with. Or no matter what, he will be able to remain equal to all, controlling his mind and his emotions. He will remain unbiased in situations. And apradvesho bhavati. Apradvesho bhavati. Apradvesha means nobody will dislike him. Just as friends don't dislike him, Shatrus also will respect him. Shatrus will also praise his good qualities. Tika. Sadrishya bhedena phala bhedam avedya द्विविध सादृश्य प्रयुक्तैकत्व विज्ञान फलम आह. सादृश्य भेदेन फलभेदम आवेद्य द्विविध सादृश्य प्रयुक्त एकत्व विज्ञान फलमाह. There is a difference in similarity and therefore there is difference in phalam. Akara and Vishwa, Vaishwanara, Prathama Matra and Prathama Pada, their similarities were different. Ukara and Hiranyagarbha, Dvitiya Matra and Dvitiya Pada, similarities are different. Now, in Ukara also, there are two qualities are given. One is, there is Utkarsha and there is Ubhayatva. So the one who does Onkar Upasana with Utkarsha will get different phalam. The one who does Onkar Upasana with Ubhayatva will get different phalam. So the phala bheda also will be there based on which kind of similarity I choose for Upasana. Sadrishya bhedena phala bhedam avedya द्विविध सादृश्य प्रयुक्त एकत्व विज्ञान फल. If I have both sadrishya in my upasana, then what is the phalam? So third result is given. Abrahmavidasya kule na bhavati ya evam veda. In his kula, nobody will be Abrahmavid. So if he is a grahastha, then in his janma kula. And if he is a sannyasi, then Shishya Kula, nobody will be Abrahmavid. Everybody will be knower of Brahman. Sooner or later. अच्छा 5 नंबर टिप्पणी ऑल्सो यू सी तस्याः ज्ञानसन्ततेः भेदो अवष्टम्भः तस्या लेट मी सी बड़े महाराज बुक तस्या ज्ञानसन्ततेः मीन्स तस्याः between tasya and jnanam space has to be there there is a tasya jnana santitehe bhedo avashtambah then thereafter tasya avedanam apratitihi tasya avedanam apratitihi so there split it properly tasya vedanam where it is given tasya avedanam if you want you put avagraha there bheda avedanam tasyaha so tasya means bhedasya avedanam and tasyaha is for jnana santati अवेदनम अप्रतीतिः अनुपलम्बः कुतश्चिदपि हेतोः कुतश्चिदपि अप्रतिबद्धत्वम् इति यावत् never ever his jnanam will be obstructed because you know why that 5 number tippani is given because you see in bhashya utkarshati havai jnana santatim is given and then bhashyakar says vijnana santatim vardhayati so jnana shabda is also there vijnana shabda is also there if somebody wants to make a distinction then what is the distinction pratibadha jnanam is called jnanam and apratibadha jnanam is vijnanam so that pratibandha is also not there that is a subtle point just added further तृतीय पादस्य तृतीय मात्रायाः च एकत्वम् उपन्यस्यति तृतीय पाद तृतीय मात्रा their एकत्वम् is given now सुषुप्तस्थान प्राज्ञो मकारस्तृतीया मात्रा मितेरपीतेर्वा मिनोति हवा इदं सर्वम् अपीतिश्च भवति य एवं वेद okay one time is enough सुषुप्त स्थान प्राज्ञो मकार सुषुप्त स्थान मीन्स सुषुप्तम स्थानम यस्य सह सुषुप्त स्थान प्राज्ञ सो वी वर प्राज्ञ सम टाइम बैक सुषुप्त स्थान मकार प्राज्ञ इज मकार तृतीय पाद इज तृतीया मात्रा मिते हे अपीते हे वा मिनोति हवा इदम सर्वम अपीतिश्च भवति य एवं वेद टू सिमिलैरिटीज आर गिवन मिति एंड अपीति टू रिजल्ट्स आर गिवन फलम मिनोति सर्वम अपीतिश्च भवति य एवं वेद य एवं उपासते मिति मीन्स टू मेजर, apiti means to dissolve. So makara is where everything gets measured and everything gets dissolved. Because the karan avastha, tritiya pada, karana pada. So miti and apiti, and the result is minoti hava idam sarvam. The one who does such upasana means makara pradhana onkara upasana. Not only he will chant ma, he will chant om, but his constant attention is on karana avastha, karana pada. Entire sthula sukshma prapancha laya is in karana for him or her. For such a upasaka, everything he is able to measure. In other words, he will be able to estimate things accurately. He will be able to judge situation accurately. And his decisions will be accurate. All this is miti. Minoti hava idam sarvam. And sarvam apitischa bhavati. Apiti means he is the dissolution place for all. What does that mean? We'll see in Bhashya and Tika. Bhashya. Sushupti sthanaha prajñah yaha sa makara omkarasya tritiya matra. Sushupti sthanaha prajñah. Prajña is one who has sushupti sthanam. Saha makara. So tritiya pada is tritiya matra. Omkarasya tritiya matra. टीका पूर्ववद एकत्व प्रयोजकम अत्रापि प्रश्नपूर्वकम उपवर्णयति. Just like in the previous two cases, here also, what is the prayojaka? How do you map tritiya pada and tritiya matra? So, with the help of a question, prashnapurvakam upavarnayati. Varnanam and upavarnanam means a very small thing he brings out through a question. Kena samanyena ityaha. Samanyam idam atra. What is this similarity here if this question is asked? Then he says, Samanyam idam atra. This is the samanyam here. What is that samanyam? Manam, mitehe, mitir manam. Mitehe is there from mantra. Mitihi manam. Manam means to measure. This is the meaning of miti. Miti manam. Tika. Manam eva vivranoti. Now, what is that manam? He explains further. Miyete iva hi vishwataijasau. Miyete iva hi vishwataijasau. Miyete has a, and after that there is e. Ayadi sandhi should take place or not? Nobody is answering. Ayadi sandhi. A, O, I, Au. And after that there is ach, a, o, I, au, and ach, then ayadi sandhi should take place. Aya, ava, aya, ava. What is the exception? That is what I want to know. Will not work. Lopa Shakalyasya will, if Lopa Shakalyasya would have worked, then it would have been miyeta iva, but it's miyete, because this has the pragrihya sanya. Pragrihya. In dvivachanam, whether it is in shabda, what is that? Idudet dvivachanam means idude dvivachanam pragrihyam. And here pragrihya sangya will be there because there is et. Eat, ut or et. Ekaranta. So here ekaranta is there. Et. Dvivachanam pragrihya. Once pragrihya sangya is there, then what happens? Pluta pragrihyaha achi nityam. This is the other sutra. This sutra will make sure that there is prakriti bhava, so it will remain as is. Miyete iva. So there is no sandhi that should be done here. Iva hi vishwataijasau prajnena pralayotpatyoho pravesha nirgamabhyam prasthena iva yavaha. Prastha means that measuring cup used to be there. In that they will put the puffed rice or chana or these peanuts, etc. And then prastha they will put. So that was their measuring how much ever, 100 grams, 200 grams they would give. So that is how they used to measure. Or for milk, they had that, now also in some places they might have. Everywhere now packs are there, so nobody will know. But that measuring was there, So there is pravesha and nirgama, entry and exit. Like that, Vishwa and Taijasa. Vishwa Taijasau prajnena pralaya utpatyoho. Pralaya and utpatti. Pravesha nirgamabhyam prasthena iva yavaha. Vishwa and Taijasa, they enter into prajna and they come out from prajna. Their pravesha takes place at the time of pralaya, and their nirgama takes place at the time of utpatti. So Vishwataijasau prajnena pralaya utpatyoho, pralaya and utpatti, pravesha nirgamabhyam, during pravesha and nirgama, prasthena iva yavaha, like the prastha, that measuring unit is there by which yava or any other grains are measured. Tika. This is important. Om iti omkarasya nairantaryena ucharane sati akara ukarau prathamam makare pravishya punaha tasmat nirgacchanta viva upalabhyete tena makarepi mana samanyam iti vaktavyam ityartha. Om in this way, when it is chanted Nairantaryena, Nairantarya means continuously. So normally what we do, we chant Om, then we remain in Amatra, silence. Then again we chant Om. But here, without Amatra, you just go on chanting Om, 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 like that. You can chant slow, but after Ma, there is no pause, like long or short. Nairantarya Uchcharyamane Sati. Akara, Ukara. So you can see A, U have gone in Ma, and from Ma alone, again A, U comes. Akara, Ukaro, Prathama, Makare, Pravishya, Punaha, Tasmat, Nirgachantau, Iva, Upalabhyate. Again they come out from Ma. But you have to understand, person who can do this sadhana, he is not into any nama rupa. Only then they will do this Om, Om, Om all the time. And you ask them Om. All there, they want to minimize their vyavahara. They want to withdraw more and more. Tena makarepi mana samanyam iti vaktavyam. So, makara also has this similar. Just as A, U merge in Ma, Vishwa Taijasa merge in Prajna, and they come out also from Prajna. Eki bhavam eva sphurayati. Now their oneness is being established or highlighted further. तथा ओंकार समाप्तौ भाष्य तथा ओंकार समाप्तौ पुनः प्रयोगे च प्रविश्य निर्गच्छत इव अकार उकारौ मकारे. In the same way, ओंकार समाप्तौ, when ओंकार ends, then पुनः प्रयोगे च, when you chant, then pravishya nirgachata iva. Those which have entered, having entered, they come out. Akara, ukara, makare. Further, in Bhashya, apiterva, apitihi apyayaha, eki bhavaha. Apiti means, apyaya means eki bhava, dissolution. Becoming one with it. Onkaro, now this tippani, this tika, eki bhava sphorayati is this one. What is eki bhava? In Bhashya, ओंकारोच्चारणे अंत्ये अक्षरे ekibhutaviva akara ukarau. When onkar ucharana is done, then in the antya akshara, antya shabda is ante bhavaha, antyaha. Sharire bhavaha, shariraha. Ante bhavaha, antyaha. Antya akshara is ma. So this is less for discourse, more for practice. We have to do this. We have to do this. Even if, let's say during the day, if we forget, in the morning or when you are taking bath, Om, 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 you can do. And if it is slightly cold water, Om, 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 it will be faster. Ekibhutau iva akaro karau. Tika. मकारवत् प्राज्ञे अपि तदस्ति सामान्यम इत्याह. Like in makara, in prajna also this similarity is there, which we already saw. See bhashya. तथा विश्व तैजसौ सुषुप्ति काले प्राज्ञे एकीभूतौ. In the same way, Vishwa and Taijasa, they dissolve in prajna at the time of sushupti or pralaya also. Uktasya api samanyasya phalamaha. What is the result of this similarity? Sadrishyam phalam is given. Ato va samanyad ekatvam prajnyam akarayoho. Because of this similarity between prajna and makara, there is oneness. सामान्य द्वय द्वारेण प्राज्ञम अकारयोः एकत्व ज्ञानम ना विवक्षितम फलवत्वात् इत्याह. सामान्य द्वय, two similarities are given. तद्वारेण प्राज्ञम अकारयोः एकत्व ज्ञानम न अविवक्षितम. By this, prajna and makara, their ekatva jnanam is not vivakshitam. Means this is upasana, that not that they are one. And because this upasana is there, it has some phalam also. Phalavatvat ityaha. Vidvat. Vidvat phalam aha. See in Tika now. Avidushopi. Avidushopi. So you see Vidushaha. And for Ajnani, Avidushopi. Jagad, actually that is, here only. Jagad Vishaya Jnanam Asti iti Ashankya Vishnashti. Ajnani also has Jagad Vishaya Jnanam. So here in Bhashya it is given, Minoti hava idam sarvam jagat yathatmyam janati ityartha. He knows jagat yathatmyam. Jnani. Means this upasaka. So it is said Ajnani also has jnanam about jagat. Jagad vishaya jnanam avidushopi asti. You say yes, but here he knows yathatmyam. Means he knows things as they are. So we have to be very realistic in lot of things. We cannot become emotional and we want things our way. It is never going to happen. This also we should understand. If everything, whatever we plan, if it happens, nobody would want God, then God will lose his importance. In Panchadashi 7th chapter, there was a shloka. If things would happen as per our wish, then Yudhishthira, Rama and Nala, they would not have suffered. But things didn't go as per the plan. And so suffering was there for all of them. And if they had it, understand everybody will have. So in many situations, this is a common thing. Whether you take job situation or marriage situation, any project situation, you name it. You start a project and you think this project will be over, let us say, in 4 months and at the cost of 5 crores. Let us say it is that kind. So that 4 months you think it will take 10 months, 1 year. 3 times, and budget also 3 times. If parents, they think, our children will turn out to be very wonderful, they should renounce everything, they should take sannyasa, those children will never be inclined to take sannyasa. And those parents who want their children to be worldly, their children will renounce everything. So this is the realistic thing. If husband and wife think, oh, we both will be married and live happily ever after, there is no such thing called happily ever after. Some khatpat will continuously go on. Similarly, for sannyasis also, if they think that these shishyas are there, they will not give dukkham, forget it. They will come with their own baggage. So this is a realistic idea this upasaka will have in all these things. Jagad yathatmyam. Tika. Tad yathatmyam cha avyakritatvam pralaya bhavanam anishtatvat na phalam iti ashankyaha. So what is this yathatmya? Purvapakshi says, this yathatmyam avyakritatvam, 1 number tippani, परिणामवाद पक्षे मायात्वम विवर्तवाद पक्षे च चैतन्यात्मकत्वम इत्यर्थः. In parinamavada, this is maya, because it is maya's parinama, and in vivartavada, it is chaitanya. So jagat yathatmya means when he sees parinama, he also knows this is maya. So what we see, and maya means it is illusion, it is mithya, it is not how it seems to be. All this is maya. And when he sees all this is vivarta only, then chaitanya. This is yathatmyam. Pralaya bhavanam anishtatvat na phalam. So then, if he becomes the pralaya of all, because ye jagat yathatmyam is either be maya or chaitanya, so he says that is not the mukhya phalam. Mukhya phalam is this also. Knowing that everything is either maya or chaitanya, but also knowing the situations, the practicality, vyavaharik level also. Further it is said, apitischa jagat karanatma bhavati ityartha. And he is jagat karanatma, means he is the cause, he knows everything. He will be the layasthanam. भवति इत्यर्थः. टीका. तत्र तत्र एकत्व ज्ञाने फलभेद कथनात् उपासना भेदम आशंक्य अंगेषु फलभेद श्रुतेः अर्थवादत्वम उपेत्य आह. एकत्व ज्ञाने, the oneness which is in the form of the makara and prajna, ekatva jnane phala bheda kathanat upasana bhedam ashankya. So two different phalams are there. One is minoti, second is apitisya bhavati. So upasana bheda could be there. So it is said, no, angeshu phala bheda shrutehe arthavadatvam upetya aha. In the anga, what is that? Second tippani, Vishishta upasana anga bhuta vishwadi पादाकारादि प्रणव मात्रोपासनासु इत्यर्थः. This is Vishishta Upasana. Means this will be Makara Vishishta Onkara Upasana. Earlier was Akara Vishishta Onkara Upasana or Ukara Vishishta Onkara Upasana. Pranav Upasana, but with some Vishesha. Special emphasis is there. भाष्य. अत्र अवांतर फलवचनम प्रधान साधन स्तुत्यर्थम. And avantar phala, avantar means the secondary result is for the praise of the primary one. So when it is said makara vishishta onkara can give you this much phalam, akara vishishta onkara can you give this much phalam, then what to talk of only om? That is said, explained further in Tika. Padanam matranam. So makara is over. Now this is additional. Padanam matranam cha kramat ekatva vijnane phalakathanam. Sarvan padan matrascha sarvaha swatmani antarbhavya pradhanasya brahma dhyanasya. Pradhana means onkara. Complete. All three. Brahma dhyanasya sadhanam यद ओंकाराख्यम अक्षरम तस्य स्तुतौ उपयुज्यते तेन च तद एव एकम उपासनम इतरस्य तदंगत्वात् नोपास्ति भेदकत्वम इत्यर्थः. So having explained pada and matra, their oneness in sequence, padanam matranam cha kramat ekatva vijnane. In sequence, their ekatva vijnanam is given. Phalakathanam was also done. Now, sarvan padan matrasya sarvaha swatmani antarbhavya. In Atma, you understand akar, ukar, makar, and you also understand Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, Vaishvanara, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara. Everything, all of that is in Atma alone. Pradhanasya Brahma Dhyanasya. So, Avantara Dhyanam is either apradhana or upradhana or mapradhana. But when entire Om is pradhana, that is the Mukhya Dhyanam. Pradhanasya Brahma Dhyanasya sadhanam yad Onkarakyam aksharam. So, this Brahma Dhyanam is with Om. And I go on meditating at the exclusion. Onkarakyam aksharam. Tasya stutau upayujyate. Upayujyate. So there the upayoga is there. And there he is engaging. Means the Shastra is engaging us there. Stutau upayujyate. Tena cha tadeva ekam upasanam itarasya tadangatvat. Therefore, Tikakar says actually there is only one upasana, Om. Whether you say entire Om or you say Akara Pradhana, Ukara Pradhana, Makara Pradhana, it is only Om. The other three are Anga, and therefore na upasti bhedakatvam. There is no upasana bheda. So through Akara, Ukara, Makara, Vishishta Onkara upasana, when phalam is described, what is the objective? Objective is to do stuti of Om, the pradhana upasana. So here, what it means is this. The main upasana is of Om. But if I want some other phalam, then I should do akara pradhana, ukara pradhana or makara pradhana upasana. In Shastra, they say priority should be given to Vedanta Shravana. But remember, abidance in the self is the highest. If one can abide in the self, then they don't need to do Shravanam, they don't need to do Mananam. Because Shravanam, Mananam is done. Let us say somebody has already studied all Prasthanatraya and has already taught and also a Brahat Prasthanam, if they have studied, they have done all this Khandanam of all Lakshanas of everything. So instead of saying Lakshana Pramana Bhyam Vastu Siddhi, in Khandana, they have done Khandanam of all Lakshanas, of all Shabdas of Nyaya and all Pramanas. So they will ask, he will ask the question, okay, tell me what is Pratyaksham? So Pratyaksha Pramana somebody will give. He will create questions and he will say, really speaking, you cannot explain what is Pratyaksham. What is Anumanam? What is Linga? What is Hetu? What is Sadhya? What is Dravya? What is Guna? Everything, whatever Lakshana is given, he will do Khandanam. So Khandanam has another name. Actually, Khandana, Khanda, Khadya, another name is Anirvachaniyata Sarvasya. Everything is Anirvachaniyam. So when that is done, and you don't need to do any more Shravanam, you don't need to do any more Mananam, then you should be able to abide in this teaching. If you cannot do this, then best is you do Shravanam and you do Adhyapanam, you teach. And if let's say nobody wants to study from you, or you don't want to teach because you don't want students, or you cannot teach for whatever reason, this Omkara Upasana is very good. You have to do Om Dhyanam and understand in Om whole Brahmanda, Bhutam Bhavat Bhavishyat iti, everything is included, and that is who I am. So with this Akara, Ukara, Makara Upasana is complete. Now, Tika. Padanam matranancha yad ekatvam sanimittam shrutyopanyastam. The oneness of pada and matra because of some nimitta. What is the nimitta? Sanimittam means nimittena saha. Kim nimittam? What is the nimitta because of which there is oneness between pada and matra? Sadrishyam, similarity. Some similarity is shown, right? Then only there is ekatvam. See, kena samanyena, every time he has asked that question. What is that because of which there is similarity? So that nimitta is given. That sadrishyam is the nimittam. Shrutyopanyastam, which is given in the Shruti, tatra shrutyartha vivarana rupan purvavadeva shlokan avatarayati. There, shrutyartha vivarana rupan, the shlokas which are in the form of exposition on the Shruti mantra, shrutyartha, its meaning of the mantra, on them vivarana is in the form of the shlokas. Shlokan avatarayati. Kaha avatarayati? Gaudapadacharyaha. Atraite shloka bhavanti. So these shlokas are there now. Tika. First let us see shloka. Vishwasyattva vivakshaya Madi samanyamutkatam Matra sampratipattausya Dapti samanyameva cha Vishwasyattva vivakshaya Vishwasya Attva Vivakshayam. Vishwa has Attva. This is the similar. These slokas are the easiest slokas. Vishwa has Attva. In this Vivaksha, this, what is the similarity? Adi Samanyam Utkatam. Adi Samanyam. The first, being first, is Utkatam means Spashtam. It is clear. Vishwa is first, Akara is first. And Matra Sampratipattau Syat Apti Samanyameva cha. Matra Sampratipatti, knowledge of the Matra. Atva is the Prathama Matra. In it, Matra Sampratipattau, in that knowledge of Atva, Apti is also Samanyam. Apti Samanyam eva cha. Apti means Vyapti is also Samana. Pervades, like Vishwa pervades. Vishwa means that which pervades. So pervading is the second one. And being first is the first one. Adi Samanya. Tika. Prathama padasya prathama matrayaha cha abheda aropartham uktam samanya dvayam vishadayati. Prathama padasya prathama matrayaha. First pada and first matra, their abheda aropa is done as if they are one. Uktam samanya dvayam. The samanya dvaya, what is said, is explained now in bhashya. Vishwasya Attvam Akara Matratvam. Vishwa is nothing but Akara. Akara Matratvam Yada Vivakshate Tada Aditva Samanyam Utkata Nyayena Utkatam Udbhutam Drishyate Ityartha. Aditva Samanyam, being first, is common in both. Samanyam Ukta Nyayena Utkatam. Because of this reason, these two, for being first and also being pervading. Udbhutam drishyate ityartha. Tika. Ukta nyayena means adihi asya ityadau iti shesha. Aditva samanyam. So, being the first. Adi rasya asti iti earlier we saw, right? Adimat. Adirasya asti iti adimat, in that way. Punarukti parihar dwara vivakshitam artham aha. And to avoid the punarukti, what is the punarukti? Because what was already said, if you are saying the same thing, then it is just repetition. So he says atva instead of akara in bhashya. Atva vivakshayam ityasya vyakhyanam matra sampratipattau iti. Atva vivakshayam, that is not repeated, it is said matra sampratipattau. So atva vivakshayam adi samanyam matra sampratipattau. Matra sampratipatti, if you see, it is there in Karika 19, 20, 21 in all of them. So that matra, whether it is akara matra, ukara matra or makara matra. Vishwasya akara matratvam yada sampratipadyate ityartha. When Vishwa becomes akara matra, then what happens? Apti samanyam eva cha utkatam iti anuvartate cha shabdat. Anuvritti dyotakam darshayati cha shabda. Cha shabda is anuvritti, repetition is shown. And what is the samanam? Apti samanyam eva. Apti means is pervading, is also samanam eva cha utkatam iti anuvartate, is also spashtam. Pervading is also very clear. That also follows. Cha means it is also. So here 19th Karika is over. We'll see more tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.